how you can use Go High Level to create a website for your business using a template. So we're on High Level and I'm going into my sub account here on the left hand side. And when we go down here, I want to just let you know that I have got an offer for anybody who wants to test this out of a free 30-day trial on how to do this. And if you get stuck, you can ask me for help on building your site. But I'm going to show you how simple it is in today's video. So on the left hand side of our menu, scroll down until you get to sites over here. And we're going to websites. So click on the second option in the top menu. And it says build websites to showcase your products and build a trusted brand. I think this is brilliant because it's all using templates. So not only is it set up in the best way possible for you, it's also really simple to do, which is great. So click on new website and we're going to click on from templates. So click on from templates and click continue, and there's over 1,000 templates in here. So which category are you in? And today I wanted to do one for home services. So let's click on home services and it's showing us all the different ones here. Cleaning, construction, roofing, landscaping, and lawn services. I'm going to do lawn services because I was recently on Robbie's podcast. So if you don't know Robbie, you have to go and subscribe to his channel, Premier Lawns, just for the Northern Ireland accent to hear.
Thing that stops people from getting the best lawn.
So not only do you get good lawn tips, but you also get Robbie's lovely accent. Okay, so back to our templates. So lawn services, let's have a look at it and see what do we like about it. So you can request a quote. Your perfect lawn starts here. We have an about section. We have our services. I scroll down. It's going to say what our customers say. Request a quote, FAQ. Here is our team and here's how to contact us. Perfect. That is perfect. What else do you need for your lawn services website? So now it is adding in the templates. We just wait and see how fast we can do this with High Level. All right, it's opening up our website. It's just so nice and fast and easy. So this is where then you're going to add in your own content. So your logo goes over here and you click on that area and you scroll down the right hand side, menu settings, logo settings, and this is where you will add your logo. So you simply click on this button here and you will add in your logo. So I will put my own logo in here, even though I'm not a lawn service. I'm going to click insert media. And now my logo has appeared. That is how simple it is to add in the different sections. If I want to change the background color, I don't know how you would because it's green if we're doing lawn services, but you would do all of that in here as well. And we click on the box that you want to change. So you scroll down, it says sections. This section is in green and we just want to check. So the background color here is green. If you want to change that slightly, could be you want a paler green, and do the colors that match your business. So custom color, I think that green looks really good. This is going to be a button to schedule an appointment, and everything is very clickable. So your perfect lawn starts here, expert advice. I want you to write about your business in here, and you can use AI to help you with this. The key is that we want people to go to this website and we want them to hire you for your services. In your about section, again, add information about you and your business. And under your services, lawn maintenance services, lawn fertilization and weed control. Obviously, you only put in services that you want to add. So lawn aeration and overseeding. So if there's a service that you don't want to have included, you simply, do you see how when I go into the different sections, it highlights them? And I want to take the whole box out. So if I do this, it's this section. If I go to here, it's going to remove this whole bit. So I'm going to click on the delete button and it's gone. So landscape maintenance and cleanup, and then each bit will take you to somewhere else. You click on the button over here, it says where am I going to, and it clicks to website URL. So this is where you're going to add in all the different areas on your website. Jay, close the door. Okay. Then what are our customers saying? Here's some feedback. Obviously you need to write your own customer feedback in here. Change their names to your customer's name. If you've got a photograph of your customer, I would put it in here as well. And then over here, you're going to click on request a quote. And this can take people to your request a quote, and it's going to open up our pop-up, okay, in here. All right, and then your FAQs is down at the bottom. These are great FAQs. If you wanted to add another one in, just click on the plus button and say, I want to add some more text in here. I want to add in a paragraph, for example. If we click on pre-built sections, we've got FAQs, and you want to add in a whole section, you can do that as well. Elements, just the text that's going into this area. You can add in images and videos. If you have any videos, that's fantastic. And then down at the bottom, you have your list your team. So again, write your own words in here, so it's not going to be exactly what is on the template, if I can give you one piece of advice. When you go to the map, then we're going to say, want a roadmap, and we want to type in where we are. So we'll type in Island McGee, which is where Robbie is. And we're going to say, yes, we want to do that. Click save. So now it has moved to the location that we want. Then you add in all your information on the left-hand side, and you put your logo down here again, and you are ready to go. Now, what you want to do is make sure, how does it look on mobile? Okay, looks great. How does it look on desktop? It looks great. And what we need to do then is you need to connect your URL or your web address so that your website can go live. Okay. And over here it's saying, Louise, we want you to put some more information. So under content, what is my page title? It's under 70 characters. They want it a bit longer. We want to have a description. So we could say lawn services Island McGee, for example. Just make it as easy as for people as it could be. Put your description in under 155 characters. This is where I will use AI for assistance. So you go to an AI like ChatGPT and you say, please give me a meta description for my lawn services company. And all of this stuff can be filled in that way. When you get stuck on something, just go to ChatGPT and ask it, what does this mean and what should I put in the box? Okay, so I'm going to say description, website detailing lawn services. I am not an SEO expert. If you want to work with a SEO expert, I highly recommend that you do. And then what else have we got to check in here? They want us to do a description, and then click on update SEO meta. Remember, we're going to click save again. And the last thing you need to do, once you've updated all of your sections, I want you to go to connect domain. And then if you have a URL domain, if you don't have one, you can purchase your domain here. If you want to have www.Island McGee Lawn Services, for example, and click on that, it takes you off to the website to purchase a domain. It's all really done for you. It's nice and simple. When you do this, you get a domain high level, use registration and renewals, DNS management, etc., etc. So it starts from $11. So that sounds fantastic. Okay, so we'll click on that, but that is how you can start up and create a website for your business on high level. So if we want to just remove the pop-up to make this, so we can put our website live in one day from this template, I'm going to remove the pop-up and I'm going to just say, contact us. Instead of saying request a quote, contact us today, and then put a number in. Put your phone number in, and then they can literally give you a call on schedule an appointment as well. That will take you to scheduling an appointment, and we have a video on how to do that also here on the channel, and I will link to that down below. But this is how you can use the template settings to create your website on high level. Remember, you can get your free 30-day trial of high level using the link below, and I will be more than happy to take any of your questions down below as well. Thanks so much, guys, for watching today.